Welcome to Dataization, where we explore AI, cybersecurity, and tech innovation. Today, we will use ChatGPT to solve two capture the flag challenges from the San Diego CTF in 2024. These two different challenges are both in the category of forensics. The first one will be an easy difficulty, and the second one we will look at is a medium difficulty. So here is the first challenge. It's called Watch the Waves, and it's an easy difficulty. The hint is, my friend sent me this cool image, reminds me of the ocean. I love listening to the sound of the crashing waves, and then, as part of the challenge, it provides this image. Today I'm going to use ChatGPT 4.0. 4.0 lets me upload an image, and currently, the preview does not let me upload files. So after entering the prompt, it looked at the image, but it needed some clarification. It provided some recommendations and has different ideas for solving this challenge. But looking at a write-up by Sarakat Newbie Indonesia, these recommendations would not lead me to the flag. Here I gave it a hint. I asked if this image could be a WAV file that is encoded. It responds, yes, that's very possible. It even provides a link to download the converted WAV file, but it's only a tiny part of what I should get.
Close bracket.
There may be a limit to how much processing power it can use to analyze the image. So I let ChatGPT know the provided file was incomplete and asked if it could generate some Python code to generate the needed file. It gives me the code that provides a valid WAV sound file, but it's producing the same truncated file it supplied in chat. Next, I asked if there was any way to get the whole WAV file to get the rest of the flag from the image. It gave me an updated Python script that creates the complete audio file needed to complete this challenge. In the file, you can hear a woman reading each of the letters of the flag.
S, D, C, T, S, open bracket, L, 3, T, S, G, 0, 2, T, H, 3, D, 3, 4, C, H, close bracket.
I compared the flag I got when running the code from ChatGPT with the write-up, and they match. Okay, it's time to look at the medium flag. It's in the same category, and it's called Watch the Waves 2. The challenge says, Great Scott! There's something in the water. Scan slowly. With this challenge, there is a similar image, but it's larger. Like before, I uploaded the new image to ChatGPT, gave it more information about what I wanted to do, then gave it a hint and asked for the flag. It did some analysis of the image. It did a pixel value distribution and used other methods to try to reveal the hidden message, but it didn't have any luck and then asked if there was any additional hint I could provide. Using a script I got for the last challenge, I converted the image to a file, then uploaded that wave to ChatGPT and asked what this sound was. Reading the write-up, I know the sound contains an encoded SSTV image, but I wanted to see if it could tell me that. Instead, it told me the sample rate and other information about the WAV file, but SSTV was not mentioned. It didn't have a good idea, and it thought there could be a hidden Morse code message or something more fundamental than this SSTV recording, so I gave it the last hint. I told ChatGPT the WAV file was an SSTV recording, and it said it couldn't decode the image for me because it didn't have the needed library in its environment. So instead, I asked it for some Python code, and it was able to provide that to me. However, the code did not work. I tried 3 variations, but none gave me the image I expected. As far as results are concerned, I don't know how to score this. It eventually gave me the answer for the first challenge, and the second could not provide a working code to decode the image. In the end, ChatGPT could not solve the challenges on its own, but I'm curious about how the new models would perform. And that wraps up today's video. We tackled 2 forensic challenges from the San Diego CTF 2024, exploring how ChatGPT could assist in solving them. While ChatGPT was able to help us with some parts of the first challenge, it fell short in decoding the second one. It's clear that while AI tools like ChatGPT can be helpful, they still have limitations when it comes to more complex tasks like decoding certain file types or executing advanced scripts. I hope you found this exploration insightful and maybe even learned a few things about using AI for CTF challenges. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more tech tutorials and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching Dataization.